Now that you know the added benefit of additive manufacturing, let's talk applications. What are the possibilities with 3D printing? First, rapid prototyping. 3D printing takes the guesswork out of a new product design. A precise and quickly produced prototype communicates in a way that a CAD drawing never can. It enables companies to get imperative feedback, revise, iterate, and bring better products to the market faster than ever before. 3D printing allows for low-cost, quick-turn, functional prototypes, allowing you to test parts early and frequently through iterative designs. Second, functional prototyping. Functional prototyping allows you to verify designs, also test parts functionality and demonstrate an idea well before moving into production when time and cost for changes become prohibitive. Third, concept modeling. There is no better way to evaluate the merits of a new design than to bring it to life as a tangible concept model. Low cost and quick to produce, precise concept models look and feel like the final product and is ideal for presenting new items to key stakeholders early in the design process. A 3D printed concept model is your vision made real, evoking excitement and facilitating feedback. Fourth, marketing tools. Create true to production cosmetic models for marketing processes like photo shoots, trade shows, and sales displays, as you can wait for production runs to be completed. Fifth, architecture. Combining the precision of computer simulation with the tangibility of scale models, 3D printing helps architects to retain fine details of the fine architectural plan as they prove out designs. Manufacturing tooling. You rely on jigs, fixtures, templates, and gauges to maintain high-quality production and efficiency. Put more complex and custom manufacturing aids in your production floor with 3D printing. ECS ducting. Additive manufacturing offers powerful solutions for ECS ducts with design freedom that lend to optimized, consolidated components. Create strong ECS ducting unrestrained by traditional manufacturing methods, all while taking advantage of lightweighting possibilities. Housing and enclosures. Produce large, custom housing with seamless fits and integrations of enclosure connections. Produce void-free, strong, watertight, or highly cosmetic parts with the right technologies and materials to deliver custom housing and enclosures to your specifications. Jigs and fixtures. These often overlooked, but critical components for quality production often require several cycles of design and prototyping to attain the required performance. 3D printers provide a substantially simplified and cost-effective fabrication process for productivity, efficiency, and quality of all your jigs, fixtures, and tools. Forming tools. Reduce lead times to forming tools with additive manufacturing. Build tools in hours with built-in porosity and increased tool complexity to reduce thermal mass and control thermal gradients. 3D printing innate design freedom allows engineers to design for the end product and make design changes quickly. Investment casting patterns. Increase foundry business by making investment casting patterns more viable to your customers. 3D printed investment casting patterns significantly reduce lead times and eliminate high tooling costs. With excellent pattern accuracy and repeatability at less expense than conventional methods, the pattern translates to higher yields during casting. Production parts. Build durable, low-volume production parts with an array of engineering-grade thermoplastics. Our manufacturing solutions and partnership with BASF will help you get your product into the hands of customers more efficiently. Education. Implementing 3D printing in educational programs is beneficial for the learning process of any curriculum. preparing students for their future career and teaching them valuable skills. It serves as an extra revolutionizing tool and in many areas of the education and provides teachers with new ways of getting their message across. At the end of the day, it's really up to your imagination what the limit of additive manufacturing is.